Hi, so we're on the Disney cruise on Disney Dream, and here I'm going to give you our room tour. So our room is number 6016, and we got one of the bigger rooms. So here we have our little sofa bed. This will fold out. And here's the closet. Our tiny TV. Our super tiny TV. And a little trash can. And then we have this little chest. Like that. Should you close it up nice and slow. Then here's our fridge. And here, this is our desk. Here's our bed. And a little chair to the side. And then here's the bathroom. Whoops, I need to turn on the electricity. So the way you do that is you have your card, and you stick it in here, and then the lights. There we go. And here's the bathroom. That was our room tour. Bye.